This car looked perfect. Deep glossy black paint. No visible damage. The owner took it through an automatic car wash twice a week for 2 years. And when I put it under my inspection light, the paint looked like this. Thousands of scratches. Swirl marks everywhere. The clear coat is completely destroyed. To fix this damage, $600 to $1,200 in paint correction, professional polishing, hours of work, all because of automatic car washes. I'm going to show you exactly how car washes destroy your paint, the specific damage they cause, and what you should do instead. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? I'm John, and if you use automatic car washes regularly, you need to hear this. Those brushes spinning at high speed, they're not cleaning your paint, they're scratching it every single time. And most people don't even realize the damage is happening until it's too late, until their paint is dull, swirled, and looks 10 years older than it is. Today I'm breaking down the 4 ways automatic car washes damage your paint, what the damage looks like, and the right way to wash your car without destroying it. Let me show you the 4 types of damage car washes cause. And number 1 is the most obvious. Damage type 1. The brushes are contaminated with dirt and debris. Think about this. Your car goes through, covered in dirt, dust, road grime, brake dust. All that dirt gets picked up by the brushes. Now those brushes are contaminated. The next car comes through. Those same brushes, now full of dirt and particles from your car and the 50 cars before you, are spinning at high speed against that car's paint. It's essentially using sandpaper on your clear coat. The dirt particles act like thousands of tiny pieces of grit grinding into your paint. Every pass creates micro scratches, hundreds of them, thousands over time. That's where swirl marks come from, those circular scratch patterns you see in the sun. Up close, it looks like someone took steel wool to your paint. And here's the kicker, those brushes almost never get properly cleaned. Some car washes rinse them between cars, most don't. They just keep grinding dirt from one car into the next. Damage type 2 is about the chemicals they use, and these are not gentle. Damage to the chemicals are extremely harsh and strip your paint protection. Car washes use industrial strength detergents. They're designed to cut through everything fast. High pH, very alkaline, strong enough to strip out guts and tar in seconds. Which sounds good until you realize they're also stripping your wax, your sealant, any protection you have on your paint. You paid $100 to $100 to wax your car, or you spent hours doing it yourself. One trip through an automatic car wash removes most of it. Now your paint is unprotected, exposed to UV rays, acid rain, bird droppings, tree sap. Without protection, your clear coat oxidizes, gets dull, fades. That's why cars that go through automatic washes regularly look faded and dull after a few years. The constant chemical stripping leaves the paint vulnerable. Damage type 3 happens during the drying process. And this one surprises people. Damage 3. Hot water spots that etch permanently into your clear coat. At the end of most car washes, you get blown dry with air, but it never gets fully dry. There are always water droplets left behind. That water is full of minerals, calcium, magnesium, whatever's in the local water supply. The water evaporates. The minerals stay. They bond to your clear coat. In the sun, those water droplets act like magnifying glasses. They concentrate UV light and heat onto that one spot. The mineral deposits etch into your clear coat. Permanent damage. You can't wash them off. They're etched in. You have to polish them out. Paint correction. $300 to $600. I've seen cars with hundreds of water spots all over the paint. Looks terrible. Destroys resale value. And damage type 4 isn't even about the paint. It's about everything else on your car. Damage 4. Physical damage to your car's exterior parts. Those spinning brushes and rollers don't discriminate. They hit everything. Antennas get snapped off. I've seen it happen 100 times. Side mirrors get cracked or knocked out of alignment. Trim pieces, the plastic or chrome strips on your car, get caught in the brushes and ripped off or bent. Windshield wipers get torn. Emblems get pulled off. And you know that sign at every car wash, not responsible for damage to antennas, mirrors, or other external parts. Yeah, they know this happens. They're warning you up front. A new antenna is $60 to $100. A side mirror, $200 to $400. Trim pieces can be $100 plus. Mirror to O for O. Okay, so when is it acceptable to use an automatic car wash? One situation. Winter, when your car is covered in road salt. Road salt eats through your paint, your undercarriage, everything. It's corrosive. If you live somewhere with winter salt and you don't wash it off, you're going to have rust fast. In that specific case, The damage from salt is worse than the damage from the car wash. But even then, use a touchless car wash if you can find one. High pressure water only. No brushes. Focus on getting the salt off the undercarriage and wheel wells. That's where rust starts. So what should you do instead? 2 better options. Option 1, hand wash your car at home. 2 buckets. 1 with soapy water. 1 with clean rinse water. A microfiber wash mitt. pH neutral car soap. Wash from top to bottom. Rinse your mitt in the clean water before reloading with soap. Dry with a clean microfiber towel. No water spots. Time 30-45 min. Your paint stays perfect. No scratches. No swirls. No damage. Option 2, touchless car wash plus hand dry. Use a touchless car wash. High pressure water and soap only. No brushes touching your paint. You'll come out wet. That's fine. Park somewhere safe and hand dry with microfiber towels. Prevents water spots. Takes 10 extra minutes. Costs the same as a regular car wash, but your paint stays protected. What to avoid? Automatic brush car washes, dirty sponges or towels, dish soap or household cleaners they strip wax. Alright, let's recap how automatic car washes are destroying your paint. Damage 1. Dirty brushes contaminated with dirt act like sandpaper, create thousands of micro scratches and swirl marks. Damage 2. Harsh chemicals strip your wax and sealant, leave paint unprotected and vulnerable to oxidation and fading. Damage 3. Hard water spots etch permanently into clear coat, require expensive paint correction to remove. Damage 4. Physical damage to antennas, mirrors, trim, wipers, hundreds of dollars to replace. To fix this damage, paint correction, detailing, part replacement, you're looking at $600 to $1,200. Better alternatives: hand wash at home with the bucket method, or touchless car wash plus hand dry to prevent water spots. Your paint will stay glossy, swirl free, and protected. Your car will look newer longer. Resale value stays higher. If you just learned how automatic car washes are destroying your paint, hit that like button right now. This could save you hundreds of dollars in paint correction. I want to hear if this changed your mind about car washes. Share this with anyone who cares about their car's paint, especially people who use automatic washes every week. Thanks for watching. Motor Rental Report. Take care of your paint, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.